One disturbing incident don shele for Ekpoma on Sunday evening 14 January 2024 for Eastern West local government area of Edo State as people wey dey attached to one PDP aspirant attack Sienna vehicle wey belong to the Shaibu campaign where Oga Shaibu driver Otoide Abbas dey drive the coordinator of the campaign for Eastern West. The coordinator bin just finish one meeting with Ward 10 Ile PDP faithful when the incident shele. The meeting shele for 5 o'clock in the evening and come finish 1 hour later, after which Oga Otoide wey be Shaibu driver comot for Ile for Ekpoma to meet with other supporters. As he finish with his engagement for Ekpoma, he come decide to quickly stop for local market square for Ekpoma to buy suya when he noticed one Benin Popular Transport Company white Hummer bus dey park near them, and before dem know wetin dey happen, many hoodlums come out from the bus, start to shoot anyhow to put fear for the crowd. Oga Otoide reports say the same boss and the hoodlums first visit Ile after the meeting where they scatter the chairs and canopies wey dem use for their gathering. As Otoide and the people of the Shaibu campaign vehicle run go hide, the hoodlums can't take their time take destroy their campaign motor wella and come use gun fire the motor many times. After plenty check, they come see say the bus wey the attackers use na im dem still take carry talks wey follow one PDP aspirant to Auchi Day celebration for Auchi some weeks ago. Otoide Congo police station write in statement why dem can hold the vehicle as evidence.
The Abayomi, the touch the video.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Ekpoma, Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.